esteemed parents,
all to this wonderful celebration of pride and spirit. The 78th Independence Day today. As Rabindranath Tagore once said, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, into that heaven of freedom, my father led my country again.
today, on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day, we are truly honored to have with us a distinguished guest who has dedicated her life to making a significant impact on the society. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce Mrs. Shraddha Srivastava, the founder and CEO of Diganta Swaraj Foundation. We are also delighted to welcome our esteemed PTA members who have joined us to celebrate this special day. Your presence adds to the significance of our Independence Day celebration.
Ms. Shraddha Sringarpuri comes from a lineage of freedom fighters, and her deep-rooted passion for social work and nation building led her to establish the Diganta Swaraj Foundation. This NGO is committed to empowering tribal communities through sustainable and inclusive development initiatives. Under her leadership, the foundation has achieved remarkable milestones, including the storage of 2 crore liters of water in cement nala bunds, the planting of 8 lakh trees, and the prevention of 200 child marriages.
Her work is a testament to the power of grassroots initiatives and her belief in creating opportunities for the underprivileged. She has been a guiding light for many, inspiring them to bring positive changes in the society. We are truly fortunate to have her with us.
To express her gratitude and appreciation, may I now invite our respected principal ma'am to felicitate the Ms. Shraddha Sringarpuri with a token of appreciation, a sapling and memento.
Thank you, Principal Ma'am, for this beautiful gesture. Ma'am, we are honored by your presence and inspiring work you do. We hope your journey continues to touch and transform many lives.
I now request our respected principal ma'am to felicitate our PTA members with a sapling as a token of appreciation. We have Mrs. Zainab Samshi, parent representative from grade 2.
We are grateful for your continued support and contribution to our school community. Let's begin our event with the divine blessings of Bharat Mata. We request our esteemed Principal Ma'am and distinguished guests to kindly come forward and perform the Bharat Mata Puja.
an auspicious note. Now we invite our respected Principal Ma'am to address the gathering with the inspiring words.
Good morning and a warm welcome to the guest of honor, Ms. Shraddha Srikanturi, the esteemed PTA member, the parents present online, teachers and my dear students. It is with great pride and honor that I stand before you today to commemorate the 78th anniversary of our country's independence. This is a momentous occasion, a time to reflect on the sacrifices and the struggles of our forefathers, who fought tirelessly to secure the freedom we enjoy today. 78 years ago, our nation was born out of the flames of a long and arduous battle for self-determination. The architects of our independence, driven by a deep and unwavering love for the homeland, laid the foundation for the India we know and cherish today. Their vision, courage, and resilience have paved the way for us to stand tall as a proud and sovereign nation. As we gather here today, let us remember the values that our freedom fighters upheld: unity, integrity, and a steadfast commitment to democracy. It is these principles that have guided our nation's progress and propelled us to new heights of development and prosperity. My dear students, you are the inheritors of this rich legacy. It is your responsibility to carry forward the torch of freedom and to ensure that the sacrifices of our forefathers are not forgotten. I urge you to embrace the spirit of patriotism, to cultivate a deep appreciation for our nation's history and culture, and to strive for excellence in all that we do. To our parents, I express my heartfelt gratitude for your unwavering support and commitment to your children's education. It is through your guidance and nurturing that our students will grow into responsible and empowered citizens, ready to contribute to the betterment of our society and our nation. As we celebrate this joyous occasion, let us affirm our dedication to the principles of unity, equality, and justice that form the bedrock of our nation. Let us work together to build a future where every citizen can thrive and prosper, where our diversity is celebrated and where the dreams of our forefathers are realized. May this Independence Day inspire us all to be the change we wish to see in the world. Let us pledge to uphold the values of our nation and to play our part in shaping a brighter, more inclusive and more prosperous India. Thank you, and may our beloved nation continue to soar to new heights of greatness. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Principal Ma'am, for an enlightening and encouraging words. Your guidance always motivates us to strive for excellence.
To set the tone for today's celebration, let's enjoy a delightful welcome song students from grade 7 and 8.
by enthusiastic students from grade 3A and B. That was a fantastic performance. Thank you, Grade 3, for that energetic start.
As we immerse ourselves in the spirit of independence, let's test our knowledge with some interesting questions about our history. Here's the first riddle for all. I am remembered for my efforts in founding a political party that fought for history. My journey for a lawyer, co-leader, changed the course history. Who am I? I'll repeat the question. I am remembered for my efforts in founding a political party that fought for freedom. My journey from a lawyer to a leader changed the course of history. Who am I? Gandhi. The correct answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. Now let's hear a Hindi speech by Divya Yadav from grade 8 that will enlighten us about our cultural heritage and national pride.
आज फिर से वो महान दिन आया है जिसके लिए न जाने कितने वीरों ने अपना लहू बहाया है। आदरणीय मुख्य अतिथि, सम्मानित अतिथिगण, प्रधानाचार्य, शिक्षकगण में मेरे प्रिय साथियों, सर्वप्रथम मैं दिव्या यादव कक्षा 8वीं से आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ तथा विद्यालय द्वारा आयोजित इस कार्यक्रम में शामिल होने के लिए आप सबका तहे दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ। आज का दिन हर भारतवासी के लिए बड़े ही गर्व का दिन है क्योंकि आज ही के दिन यानी 15 अगस्त 1947 को भारत अंग्रेजों की हमें उन वीरों की शहादत को याद करने का भी समय है, जिनकी बदौलत हमें ये दिन नसीब हुआ है। हम सब जानते हैं कि अंग्रेजों के आने से पूर्व हमारा देश सोने की चिड़िया कहलाता था। अंग्रेजों ने भारत के खजाने को काफी लूटा तथा कंगाल बना दिया। 1947 से लेकर आज तक का सफर काफी चुनौतियों रहा है। भारत ने फिर से सोने से शुरुआत की और आज विश्व में भारत को सम्मान की दृष्टि से देखा जाता है। ना पूछो जमाने से क्या हमारी कहानी है, ना पूछो जमाने से क्या हमारी कहानी है। हमारी पहचान तो सिर्फ ये है, हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं, हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं। आज अगर हम वैश्विक स्तर पर देखें तो अर्थव्यवस्था के मामले में भारत 5वें स्थान पर है तथा सामरिक तौर पर भारत के पास विश्व की चौथी सबसे ताकतवर सेना है, जो कि भारत के लिए काफी बड़ी उपलब्धि है। हम भारत में रहने के साथ साथ इसके विकास के लिए हम ही निर्भर हैं। आज विश्व की बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियों में उच्च पदों पर भारतीय अपनी भूमिकाएं अदा कर रहे हैं तथा अपनी सेवाएं बखूबी निभा रहे हैं तथा अपनी सेवाएं प्रदान कर रहे हैं। ये भारत के लिए एक काफी बड़ी उपलब्धि है। अंतरिक्ष में नई खोज करने की दिशा में भारतीय अंतरिक्ष अनुसंधान संगठन इसरो को आज भला विश्व में और नहीं जानता, फिर चाहे वो चंद्रयान मिशन हो, मंगल मिशन हो या आगामी सूर्य मिशन हो, इसरो ने हर क्षेत्र में नए कीर्तिमान स्थापित किए हैं। भारत ने खेलों के क्षेत्र में भी कीर्तिमान स्थापित किए हैं। भारतीय खिलाड़ी विदेशी भूमि पर तिरंगा अपनी जीत को दर्ज करते हुए लहरा रहे हैं। जिसमें भारत ने नए कीर्तिमान स्थापित किए हैं। संपूर्ण विश्व का मार्गदर्शन करने तथा अपने रखने में भारत पीछे नहीं है। आज जैसे बड़े बड़े वैश्विक सम्मेलनों पर भी भारत अपनी मेजबानी कर रहा है। माटी तपोभूमि हर ग्राम है, हर बाला देवी की प्रतिमा बच्चा बच्चा राम है, बच्चा बच्चा राम है। आजकल हम विश्व में काफी सारी घटनाएं होते देख रहे हैं, जैसे युद्ध के या फिर कोई भी महामारी हो, कोई भी प्राकृतिक आपदाएं हो, भारत देशों तथा विश्व के मदद करने में पीछे नहीं है। भारत विदेश में रह रहे अनेक भारतीयों की भी सेवा निभा रहा है तथा अपनी जिम्मेदारी निभा रहा है। ये भारत, हमारा भारत महान है तथा सच हमारा भारत भी इतनी सारी हासिल करने के बाद कुछ से सोच रहा है, जिसमें जनसंख्या की वृद्धि, आर्थिक, राजनीतिक तथा पर्यावरण से है। और जैसे कि काफी सारी समस्याएं हैं, आज हम अपने गौरवशाली अतीत भविष्य के निर्माण करते हुए अंत में मैं यही कहना अंत में उन अनगिनत वीर शहीदों की शहादत को याद करते हुए तथा अपने भारत के उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करते हुए आप सबको फिर से स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देती हूं। देश सलामी।
Thank you, dear teachers, for that wonderful performance. Grade 5 students will now sing Chalo Jawano Paro Jawano, a song that motivates us to march forward with determination.
Please be quiet. Teachers.
3, 2, 1.
हिंदुस्तान जब मैं घुसेगा भी हम आएगा।
क्या बदले के लिए आपका खून खोल रहा है?
Before we continue, engage our minds with a riddle. Which Indian freedom fighter is known for his philosophy of no and get the salt? I repeat, Indian freedom fighter philosophy of movie from grade 9 that will highlight the essence of modern India. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate a very important day in the history of our nation. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate a very important day in the history of our nation, Independence Day. Every year, on 15th of August, we come together to remember the sacrifice made by countless individuals who fought for our freedom from British rule. India gained independence on August 1947. After a long and tough struggle that lasted for almost 200 years, our countless individuals, our great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, and many others dedicated their lives to millions of Indians with their vision of their bravery, dedication, and confidence that we enjoy today. In the world, I repeat the same. Independence is not just a word, feeling. It is an ability to live in a country that we our thoughts, follow our beliefs, and pursue our dreams. As we wave the tricolor flag, we must remember that this freedom comes with a great responsibility. It is our duty to uphold the values of justice, liberty, and equality that our freedom fighters fought so hard for. Let us also remember those who are still struggling for their rights, both within our country and around the world. Freedom is a fundamental right, and it is important for us to advocate for those who do not have it. As we celebrate today, let us pledge to work towards making India a better place for everyone. Together, we can build a brighter future based on mutual respect, love, and unity. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Boogie, for that enlightening speech. Now, we have a sketch on patriotism in modern India that reflects the spirit of our country today.
Good morning, class. As you know, Indian Independence Day is coming up. I want us to explore what patriotism means in modern India. Let's start by sharing your thoughts. Ma'am, for me, patriotism is all about knowing our rich history and paying tribute to our great freedom fighters. I think patriotism today is all about staying informed and updated. By using social media, we can raise awareness about important issues and causes in our country and around the world.
I believe that patriotism is nothing but giving back to our country, community, and helping those who are in need.
Wow, those are all excellent perspectives. How about we put together a skit to show what patriotism means in modern India? Learning about our history helps us appreciate the freedom that we have today. This is where it all began. Let's hear their thoughts.
मैं मणिकर्णिका तांबे वाराणसी से आपके लिए नारी लक्ष्मी बाई। अंग्रेज हमारी झांसी पे कब्जा करना चाहते हैं, पर मैं अपनी झांसी नहीं दूंगी। मैं भारत का लक्ष्मी रखूं, स्वराज्य मेरा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है और मैं ये लेके रहूंगा।
Indian National Army will drive them out of ourselves. The nationalism is inspired by the highest idol human beings, Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram. Give me turn and I will give you freedom.
Do or die. We will either free India or die trying. We will not live to see slavery continue. I believe our struggle for the freedom will be the most genuinely democratic in history.
Caste is not a physical barrier like a wall or a barbed wire that stops Hindus from mixing. It's an idea, a mindset. I judge a community's progress by how much progress its women have made. True freedom is the freedom of the mind.
In today's digital age, we can use social media to raise awareness about important causes. Hello Neha, what are you looking at into your phone? Is this something interesting? Yes, there is a post on Facebook regarding a cleanliness drive. Wow, that's great Neha. Keep it up. By doing such activities, you show your patriotism. And social media helps you connect with like-minded people and groups. Yes, by sharing such posts and promoting positive actions, we can inspire many people to do the same.
Hey guys, how are you both? What keeps you both busy these days?
Hey Arnav, we were just busy with the donation drive organized by our school, PIS Valley, in collaboration with RHA. The main motive of this drive was to provide necessary items such as groceries, stationery items, and clothing to the underprivileged families.
That's right.
Wow, please tell me something else about your program.
Helping the people is satisfying for me. Our father said, patriotism is nothing but helping our neighbor and improving our community. Every small act of kindness matters.
That's really cool. Next time, if you organize such programs, please let me know. I would also like to participate in them.
Sure Arnav, we require a lot of volunteers and donors for such programs.
You all did a great job by showing different aspects of patriotism. Remember, the patriotic isn't just about waving flags. It's about knowing our history, staying informed, helping our community, and expressing a love for our country in different creative ways.
Yes ma'am, today I learned there are many ways to show our love for India.
And every little action counts, whether it's online or offline.
We can all make difference in our own unique ways.
I conclude here with one request. Spread as much awareness as you can. Let's all be educated and motivated to respect our country. With this spirit, I wish you all a happy Independence Day. Jai Hind!
Thank you for the wonderful message. It was truly inspiring. Up next is a delightful dance performance by grade 4A on Duta Japan.
जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी।
Thank you, Ori, for the fantastic performance.
Our little warriors from grade 3 will now sing Humne Nane Prithvi Bharat.
for a delightful performance. Let's take a quiz break. Here's the question. When was Indian flag adopted as the national flag of India? I repeat my question. When was Indian flag adopted as the national flag of India? 1947. Yes, that's correct. It was July 22nd and 1947.
Let's now listen to a speech in Marathi by Aditya Shinde from grade 7 that will deepen our connection with our roots.
ये शायर नामानी तिरंगा माझा दिमागात बोलत आहे अभ्यासाची कोणी आज मी ते करवाटे वाट सन्मान्य देशमुख आदरणीय जणू आणि माझे वंदनीय गुरुजन सर्वप्रथम सर्वांना स्वातंत्र्य दिनाच्या व राष्ट्रीय गौरव दिनाच्या अनंत शुभेच्छा आज प्रत्येकाचे मन राष्ट्रप्रेम राष्ट्रभिमान व गर्वाने सुद्धा भरलेले आहे आज माझ्या भारतालाही जणू एक नवी साथ चढली होती. हा दिवस इतर दिवसासारखा साधा सुद्धा नाही. आपल्या सुराज्याच्या, आपल्या स्वराज्याच्या आणि आपल्या लोकशाहीच्या खऱ्या अर्थाने प्रारंभ करणारा दिवस आहे. या मंगलक्षणी, गौरवक्षणी आणि इतिहासाचे साक्षीदार असणाऱ्या आपल्या कथा आपण आपल्या लेकरांना सांगतो. या उत्साहात, या आनंदात आज मी इथे दोन शब्द बोलतो यासाठी मी इथे उपस्थित आहे. 15 ऑगस्ट 1947 मध्यरात्री 12 पडली आणि संपूर्ण देशवासीयांचा काळजाचा तणू धोक्यात सुटला आणि शेकडो वर्षांनी माझा भारत गुलामीच्या हातकडीमधून मुक्त झाला. या दिवशी एका नव्या युगाचा, एक नव्या पर्वाचा खऱ्या अर्थाने प्रारंभ झाला. आणि आज गल्लीपासून दिल्लीपर्यंत, लहानापासून थोरापर्यंत सर्व जाती धर्म हा सण एक मोठ्या दिमागात साजरा करत आहे. काही वीर पुत्रांनी ज्यांनी आपल्या स्वातंत्र्यासाठी मदत केली, महात्मा गांधी, नेताजी सुभाषचंद्र बोस यांसारखे वीर पुत्रांना प्रणाम. आणि काही वीर पुत्रांनी ज्यांनी आपल्या जीव धोक्यात घालून आपल्या स्वातंत्र्यासाठी मदत केली, सुखदेव आणि नेताजी सुभाषचंद्र बोस यांसारख्यांना श्रद्धांजली. आणि आपल्या देशाचे सीमेवर राहून डोळ्यात तेल घालून आपल्या देशाचे संरक्षण करतात त्यांनाही प्रणाम. शेवटी मी हे सांगू इच्छितो, ज्या भूमिपुत्रांनी दिली प्राणांची कुर्बानी, ज्या भूमिपुत्रांनी दिली प्राणांची कुर्बानी, फिरून घेतले काटे स्वतःचे दिले, फिरून घेतले काटे स्वतःचे दिले. श्रद्धांजली वाहतो त्यांच्या स्वातंत्र्याला, श्रद्धांजली वाहतो त्यांच्या स्वातंत्र्याला. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय महाराष्ट्र. भारत माता की जय. भारत माता की जय. भारत माता की जय.
get ready for a powerful dance performance performed by grade 5D on Salami.
Which Indian leader is known for the phrase "सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है"? The right answer is it was Ram Prasad Bismil. Thank you all for enthusiastic participation in our riddles and quiz. Now, as we shift our focus to something even more meaningful, it is my honor to invite someone who has made significant impact in our community for dedication and commitment. Please join me in welcoming Ms. Shraddha Ma'am, who will guide us on the path towards sustainability and inspire us with her wisdom.
Hello. Very good morning to all of you all. And a very, very happy Independence Day. 78th happy Independence Day, right? Okay. So I was mesmerized the whole morning. Prepared, and I'm sure that you must have been. They were very good, right from third standard to the which gave a very important. Try to define patriotism in today's world, because then before 47 we want independence. So patriotism, our country was to come together, push the Britishers out, not abide by the and laws that they made. So we had an objective. Since we don't have that fight going on with a foreigner, with an external partner, what is it that we can do for our country? It's very difficult to define, and I think your skit gave a message I must highlight. So whoever thought about that is really good. Also very happy to see the performances of the and Divya Yadav, who mentioned such a nice speech. All the three speakers who gave speech, in fact, were so well prepared. See, I also have to refer the notes. But they were so fluent in what they spoke, with emotions they did that. So teachers also. Happy that the teachers took part. I was telling ma'am that it's a very important thing for teachers are at the backstage. बच्चों को खड़ा कर देना है. Difficult to find time and the in-house band, it was so confident. Standard you are. Very good. I was very happy that they were good with the names, they knew what they were looking at, they looked at the performance. Some changes also while talking. So this kind of point I could see which is very. And then class 7 and class 10, they are very good for me. Very good. I was really happy to see all of it. Okay, so thank you. Very wonderful morning. Okay, and right from the beginning, we are talking about very big names like Mahatma Gandhi ji, Jawaharlal Nehru ji, Baba Saheb Ambedkar, Lokmanya Tilak. Glad that we went up to Jhansi Ki Rani. Okay, all have contributed, and what we have today is a result of their contribution. We have very big achievements, and we are also mentioning all our achievements in time. But let me tell you, students, that we have to also focus on the efforts. So achievements are really good, and everybody is happy to see the achievement. अभी Olympics देखा सबने? Okay, so we were very happy to see. अरे कैसे मारा क्यों नहीं है? We keep saying that. Okay, but imagine the efforts that they have put throughout the years to make that one day. Okay, so we have to focus on the efforts also. So while we are taking these very big names, okay, and I'm very privileged to come I am a granddaughter of freedom fighters, so I am very happy to mention that my grandmother wouldn't say happy birthday, but she knew the word picketing in front of shops. Picketing शायद हम लोगों के 8th standard तक बच्चों को पता नहीं होता है, but she knew that word. That is the involvement, the efforts they took while bringing freedom to us. My grandmother was jailed, was into the prison. She took care of her 7 kids at that time. Okay, so all this is really inspiring. But I want to take you a little bit more behind, okay, and take you to the tribals. Okay, I'm sure that we all know all these things, but I don't know how many of us know that there were tribal uprisings way before the whole independence struggle even began. Okay, it was before 1857, the Santhals, the tribals in Jharkhand, Maharashtra, right, were fighting against the British. And let me tell you, they were not fighting only for political rights. They were not telling the British that you have to go and give us the political rights, you have to give us the right to rule. No, they were telling us, leave our land, leave our forest, leave our rivers. And that is why they were so much concerned about environment, because that was their house. That is still their homes. I am working with tribal population right now also. I have an NGO. We work with tribals on their health, education, water scarcity, livelihoods. There are many problems. What you have all mentioned, that though we have achievements, we have problems to grapple. And thankfully, I have an objective to solve those problems. I'm not saying that I will be able to solve all the problems, but I'm doing my bit. Okay, that doing each person's bit is very important. The tribals started the uprising against British from there in the environment conservation arena. Though it is not recognized as that, but the fight was for the land, fight was for the forest. And see now today, we are again fighting the same fight. We are so much grappled with environmental issues. Climate change is no more a concept. Okay, let me tell you that because I am also from Bombay, I am from city. Okay, from Mumbai got called right now. Okay, I shifted here in 2008 when I was 22 years, just out of my college. I came to this tribal place called Mukhada in Palghar district and started staying there and started working there. Okay, so for us the climate change, the climate, there was only summer, है ना, सीजन्स होते हैं ना हमारे, समर सीजन क्या होता है, गर्मी होती है, we change clothes, है ना, we wear some light clothes. This is the only climate change that we see. When I went to this tribal area, I could see that summers के पहले spring होता है, there is so much blooming of flowers. In summers we have fruits. Okay, then in winters it is really chilled, and in rains it is so much foggy. The environment changes so much from a very harsh sun to an entirely green, like a velvet land. All these changes I could see because I could go to that tribal area, stay and see the nature, feel the nature. Okay, so now while working with them, we are seeing that environment is really taking a toll. The climate change is really taking a toll. The agricultural cycle has shifted like this. Earlier they used to planting by June, by the month of June. Now we don't get rains in the month of June. है ना, होती है बारिश, थोड़ी थोड़ी होती है ना, स्कूल शुरू होने के बाद, and mostly it has shifted to July. हम लोगों को फर्क नहीं पड़ता, ठीक है, जून में बारिश नहीं आते, जुलाई में आते. But for the farmers, imagine they had already planted the seeds in the month of June, and the rain disappeared. There is no rain. The rain came only in July. So क्या हुआ? उन्होंने जो seeds लगाए थे वो मर गए, and then they had to replant. They don't have that much of time to replant the seeds. Climate change is a reality. We have to be really serious about it. If farmers don't cultivate, will we have food to eat? No. So all this is finally going to affect us. And a very important factor that we see is the use of plastics. सब जगह पे लिखा है। मैं यहाँ पे आ रही थी तभी भी I could see that there were boards throughout everywhere also, don't use plastic, है ना, avoid using plastic. Why do they do so? इतना क्या कर दिया प्लास्टिक ने, हम क्यों उसको बैन कर रहे हैं? Plastic doesn't get decomposed, okay? It just stays in environment for years and years, and then what happens is it pollutes the environment to a greater extent. Our rivers have got polluted, our fishes are dying, okay? All this, and we are a part of a food chain, na? We all learned, right? We are a part of a food chain. So if everything gets affected, finally it is going to affect our lives also. So while, like in your skit, they said do something for the country which is relevant today, which is you have to do today to save yourself, to save the future of this country. So we should all take a pledge that we should not use plastic. इतना pledge लेने से हो जाएगा? Is it okay to take a pledge and say हाँ चलो हमने तो pledge ले लिया? No, our actions should be that. सोचो अभी गांधी जी ने बोल दिया था चलो सॉल्ट मार्च करेंगे और कोई आया ही नहीं होता तो सॉल्ट मार्च होता क्या? गांधी मार्च होता नहीं ना? तो 1930 में इतने सारे लोग अपने अपने जगहों पर आए, जहाँ पर गांधी नहीं भी जा पाए तो अपने अपने जगहों पर उन्होंने गांधी मार्च किया, बट एक came into an action. वो एक्शन हमें लेना जरूरी है. तो हम क्या करेंगे? We should use cloth bags, okay? Then we should avoid using the single plastic, जो black color का plastic bag होता है नहीं यूज करना चाहिए. हमने घर में भी बोलना चाहिए अगर कोई यूज कर रहा है, कोई शॉपकीपर दे रहा है हमने नहीं लेना चाहिए, अपना बैग खुद लेकर जाना चाहिए. बॉटल्स भी अगर हम स्टील या मेटल के यूज करें इट वुड बी गुड, टिफिन हम स्टील के यूज करें इट वुड बी गुड. सो एवरीथिंग दैट वी कैन चेंज इन आवर लेवल्स इट विल गोइंग टू हेल्प आवर country. Okay, so this is a message for you all. Please avoid using plastic and make this country a better place. Okay, you will do. Okay, great. Thank you very much for putting up such a nice and arranging everything. Okay, I'm very glad we were very close to you all, just an hour away. You all are welcome. Get your kids. Let them see the schools. Let them see the rivers, which are not polluted yet, because the tribals are taking care. Okay, and also the semi-urban areas which are now going bad, even in the tribals. Okay, even in the areas. So how we can protect them? Okay. Thank you very much once again. It was a great time.
Thank you, ma'am, for inspiring words.
Now hand over the mic to Rohit ma'am for special announcement.
Thank you, sir. First of all, good morning to one. Happy Independence Day. More about the environment within the tribal people life and the struggle of our people. We will try to do the same. And with this, theme, which is related to plastic, and our students are trying their best to make the people aware. Okay, now for the special announcement, for the special felicitation, I would request Sunil Patil sir, Purva Chauhan ma'am, and Gaurav Prasad sir with Roshni ma'am to join us on the stage so that the announcement can be made. Sunil Patil sir, Purva Chauhan ma'am, Gaurav sir, Roshni ma'am. Today marks a significant milestone as we celebrate Independence Day. With the same, we celebrate Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Bhavisha Rani Ma'am, remarkable 10 years journey with our school, Podar International School, Degrari, 5 years. Her unwavering dedication and visionary leadership have been instrumental in our institution growth and success. Please join me in welcoming Ma'am with a round of applause to the stage for the support, with your support, our institution is going to grow and our children are going to bring a lot of success for us. We do have a teacher and an admin staff who are constantly nurturing our institution in their own way. So I would request Principal Ma'am to felicitate Roshni Ma'am for completing 5 years with Podar International. And we would request Anju Ma'am on the stage for the success share. Thank you, ma'am.
Sir.
Their voices surely uplift our spirits.
Thank you, guys, for the harmonies.
Here's a last question for you all. India Zindabad. We live long. The correct answer is Bharat. As we draw this wonderful event to a close, we invite the school captain to deliver a vote of thanks.
Good morning to one and all present here. As we come to the close of this memorable Independence Day celebration, I, Shreya Shinde, the school captain, feel honored and privileged to express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made this event a memorable one. I extend my sincere thanks to our guest of honor, Ms. Shraddha Sringarpure ma'am, your presence today has truly elevated our celebration, and your inspiring words have left a lasting impression on all of us. Thank you, ma'am, for taking the time to be with us and for sharing your wisdom on sustainability and community service. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to our principal, Mrs. Bhavisha Hirani ma'am, whose guidance and leadership have made this event possible. Your unwavering support and dedication to the school and its students have always motivated us to strive for excellence. Thank you, ma'am, for your continuous encouragement. A heartfelt thank you to our parents who have joined us online and to our PTA members present here today. Your presence and support are deeply appreciated, and we are truly grateful for your continued involvement in our school activities. To my fellow Potarites, a big thank you for your enthusiastic participation and the spirit of unity you have shown today. Whether you were part of a performance or assisting the in charges to ensure smooth execution, your energy and dedication have truly made this day a success. I also extend a heartfelt thank you to our teachers who not only guided the performers wherever required, but also became a part of the celebration by singing beautiful songs. A sincere thanks to our admin and support staff for their behind-the-scenes efforts in organizing and facilitating today's celebration. Your hard work and dedication are greatly appreciated. As we celebrate the freedom that was hard-earned by our forefathers, let us remember our responsibilities as the future of this nation. Let us strive to uphold the values of our democracy